The mostly full box of cheesy fish. Do you know where they went?
Come here, Oakley.
Oakley, have you been in the kitchen?
Guess that wasn't a good idea.
Where'd it go? Oh.
Get another year. Oh, Jazzy, well, I guess that was a perfect timing. So I said, I guess I could get another year. Diesel, this way. Come on. Oh, that's a sin. Diesel, come here, this way.
Training book.
Oh my God.
Bailey, you're gonna fall! You stupid dog!
There we go. There we go. Get him, Goke. Oh no.
Did you do it? Or did you do it? Did she do it? She done it? Throw it in. Throw it in.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Go, Gunner. Gunner, go. Get the ball, Gunner. Run. There you go. Run faster. Faster, Gunner, faster. Gunner, get the ball. Ready? Come on, swim. Swim.
You hungry, baby? You hungry?
Watch him, he won't go through.
Come on. Open the door. Open the door. Come on, boy. Come on.
Oh no! Oh, Blue Blue. Are you okay?
ruined. Dixie, is that you? Oh my gosh.
One tall paper missing. Where could it ever be? Kona.
No. Look. Want this popcorn? Want the popcorn?
The mail always has holes in it.
What did you do, Tank? Hmm?
What happened to the blueberry tree that was in there? Where'd it go? And why is your nose all full of dirt?
Lila, did you do this? Lila, did you bring the garden gnome in?
Uh-oh, Marley, pick it up. Hand. 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 No, pick it up. Pick it up. Hand. Hand. Oh.